I am pasta. When you microwave me without sauce, I stick together and get dry.
I am sausage. Microwaving me makes my skin tough and my texture rubbery. I am pizza. Microwaves turn my crust into sadness and my cheese into regret. I am chicken, and microwaving me makes my skin rubbery and my meat dry.
I am bread, and microwaving me makes me dry and chewy.
I am shrimp. Microwaving me makes me rubbery and dry.
I am French fries. Microwaving me makes me soggy and ruins my crunch. I am beetroot. Microwaving me ruins my texture and my taste.